Before you make a tour, you want to be really organized so that you have a script ready and you have all of your places in exactly the right format before you even start to record. So my suggestion to you is to start over on the left in My Places and create a folder. So click Add, Folder, and you're going to call this folder whatever the name of your tour is. Inside the folder is where you're going to put everything that you have for your tour. So I have a tour here where I've started with a folder, and the folders work the same way as place markers. You can add anything you'd like in the description. So I've started with the Ancient Celts tour. I actually have added overlays to show where the Celts were particularly prominent, and that can be done. And then we go on our trip. And of course, every time I click on a place marker, it's going to zoom me in to the location of where I was going on my tour. And I'm doing this rather quickly, just so that you can see how these work. And you do have to close your place marker. So I've made sure that I've put these in the correct order, and you can see that some of them I've actually created myself, the place markers, and some of them came directly from the internet and they were already made for me. So here's one, for example, that was already created for me. And yet here's another. So let me show you how that works. I did a quick search for a Creux du Vin, which is a natural limestone structure, and this is going to pull right in, and it'll always show up here in my Fly To window. But if I want that place marker to be part of my tour, I want to click it and drag it down into my folder into the right location. Now, if I'd like to change the place marker, I go to Properties and go through and find a different place marker that fits. In that way, when I go through my tour, I'll be able to open and close any particular part of the tour easily and in order.